welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY leaf plate, and make sure to keep watching to find out who the notification winner is. It may be you. Let's get right to it. The materials you need for your leaf plate is air dry clay, a couple different size leaves, a stick or different clay utensil, a cup of water, and if you want to paint your leaf plate, you can use a cup of water, green paint or a different color, and a paintbrush. You'll also want to get some glaze. Let's get started. The first step is to get a chunk of your clay. Then you can move your clay aside. Roll your clay into a ball like this. Smush it down. And if you see a couple cracks like this, you can dip your finger in water and smooth it out. Just like that. And if you need to, you can get more clay. Then place it on your mat. Get your leaf, place it on your clay, smush it down. Get your stick or a different utensil and cut off the edges of the clay. Like this, and then you can push your leaf down a little bit more. You want to push it kind of a little bit hard so you can have that plate look. After you've pushed it down, you can slowly peel off your leaf. To see that you have this leaf shape. Then you can use your stick and cut off the edges a little bit more so you can see that leaf shape. And now you're going to want to wait and let this dry. After you've waited a couple hours of your clay plate to dry, you can finally paint it your color of your desire. I will be painting mine green. After you've painted it, you can let it dry for a couple minutes. After your paint has dried, you can get your glaze and place it on top of your paint. The glaze will give it a smooth texture so it doesn't feel all bumpy. After you've placed the glaze on your plate, you can let it dry for a couple hours. This is the finished product. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And the notification winner is Vijay Kumar. And if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below, done. Thanks for watching. Bye!